Bengali community कार्यक्रम Bharatiya Bhumja Samaj, wherein we have almost 200 plus Durga Puja associations. So this every year we do this. This is the 7th year. So once in a year, we all community members we join together. And the day we have selected today, the reason is we want to celebrate Karnataka Rajyotsav also, as well as Bengali Samaj cultural program in Rajyotsava Day, so that we can portray that how the cultural integration is happening between the two states. And this is being our Karma Bhumi, so we want to respect the culture as well as we want to show that how culturally we are, both the communities are integrated. Shera has been taken over by Barsha, so it's one of the largest Durga Puja association in HSR layout. So this year's theme they have Yakshagana, wherein it's a combination of the tribal art of West Bengal and Karnataka. So they were able to portray it, and more than 10,000 people every day they used to come, and probably more than that number used to come there. So they won the best award, and following that we have Jai Mahal Puja Association also, whose theme was it was the lost childhood, like what all the things we used to use for our play in childhood. Now everybody and now all the childs are busy with their mobile, but earlier days we used to have those gilli danda and all these things. So their theme was decorated in that, and the best Shabeki Puja was won by Navajagaran, which is again the Durga Puja which has been celebrated by the goldsmith of Kabanpet, and they have won Shera Shabeki Puja. So typical theme of West Bengal, the structure, the pandal, the idol, all the typical to Bengal culture they have made. So these are the few names I would like to quote here. And yes, mainly our focus is the cultural program in Karnataka Rajyotsava celebration, followed by a award ceremony. Mohan, the Honorable MP of Bangalore Central, was present today. Along with that, we had our Chief Advisory, Ms. Sumita Datta was there. We invited a couple of other dignitaries, but unfortunately they could not able to come. I guess they have some prior engagement, which is understandable considering Karnataka Rajyotsava we have.
Bangalore since 14 years. So we celebrate Durga Puja very elaborately, and this was the occasion to grace the best Durga Pujas which has happened in Bangalore in 2025. So this was our 7th year, and we presented the best pujas, and we have seen lot of aspects while giving the prizes, like how our Bengali associations have contributed to the society, education. So many of the associations have done lot of corporate social responsibility kind of things. They have given their best to the society. So we have celebrated Durga Puja, and we have celebrated Karnataka Rajyotsava today. So it was just expansion of our Durga Puja celebration.